What's up, T-Bat family? My name's Fabian. We're T-Bat stands for tasty, beautiful, and affordable dishes. We got a great dish coming at you today. It's going to be a cilantro pork ribeye, topped off with sauteed mushrooms and onions. And then for the sides, we're going to be doing a garlic brown sugar sweet potato scallion with a veggie fiesta medley. This is a high-class Mexican dinner. If you've ever had one of those, I know I haven't, so I just decided to create my own. But I know it's very affordable. It's only $12.75 for 5 dishes. That's right, $12.75 for 5 dishes. And if you could, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so anytime I submit a video, it sends you out a link. Thank you for tuning in. Let's get into it. try this. This is the sweet potato. They're soft. A little sweet. That garlic came out really good. Wow. All right, now let's try this corn medley. That tastes like my grandma made it. I'm so excited for these. Now I have cooked these before. This is my first time cooking it like this. Oh my god, that is so tender that it's literally like dissolving in my mouth. And those onions and mushrooms, exactly what I needed. There's enough to feed 5 portions. There's 5 plates. This dish was only $12.75. You cannot beat that. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I'm enjoying the food. I wish I had somebody here to share it with. But the 2 sides, the sweet potatoes and the veggie mix, the Fiesta one, first time I've ever made that, kind of a creation I made. I think it came out amazing. And the pork chops, I've cooked those before, like I said, but it's the first time I've cooked them like this. Came out 10 times better, way more juicy, way more tender. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is the T-Bad channel. Please make sure you like and subscribe and share it to all your friends. Till next time, bye.